So crazy.
Hey butterflies, and welcome to another episode of Kay's Beauty Talk on Exotic Touch. So, as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be talking about my lashes that I'm selling at crazytouch.com. A link, a description, a link. Okay, I'll put a link in the description so you can go over. Okay, I've been doing a lot today. Y'all gotta excuse me. So today we're gonna be talking about CEOs. These are my boss lashes. These is for my boss ladies, own their own company, business, running their thing, doing what they need to do to be the boss. You know what I mean? So these lashes, for me, speak volumes. They say boss lady. They say respect me when I walk in a room. I love the way they look. They have great flair. And we gonna see how they look on my eyes today. Of course, same makeup from the previous video. Today I've done 3 videos. So you're gonna see this makeup in all 3. Okay? Okay. So as you can see, she is so cute. And again, I told you I don't have my my good tweezers. So with that being said, we're gonna use the tweezers God gave you. And we're gonna put these lashes on. So, Exotic Touch is my beauty business where I sell lashes, up and coming lace wigs, virgin hair lace wigs, and apparel. So this is one of my t-shirts. I know if you know me, black is that's my shirt. You could also go over there and cop one of these. It got the acronym on the back for what black is. But this video is about these lashes, so I'm not going to get into that, okay? All right. So we want to just let this dry like we do. You know how we do. So what's up, girls? How y'all been, fellas? Anybody's watching? How y'all been out there? What's the new? Besides, celebrity controversy, what's going on in your lives? What's something you need help with? Me, I just need to stay on my grind, stay focused, try to get something done every day. I try to work on either all of my business or my Exotic Touch business. All of your business is pretty much an extension of Kay's Beauty Talk, but it's about other businesses. It's not about mine. So I got lost. A phone call came in, so I don't really remember what I was talking about, but I do know that this first lash is on halfway. So, also, I want to do more vending this year as well. That's my focus for my business this year. I want to get into more networking and going to more events so I can put Exotic Touch name out there, get her buzzing, get it popping. Is one of the reasons why I started back with my YouTube. Of course, I still have the jewelry. It's also on my website. If you see anything on the previous videos that you like, oh, that's cute, I still have some of that stuff. And that's all due to me not pushing. So when you start your own business, these are some of the things that you're going to have to, adhere to, because if you don't promote your business, nobody else will. And I mean on a consistent basis. It's really not something you could just, say I want to start a business and you could just, you know, half step it. Now, if you got money already, you know, then that's something different. I can't speak on that because I ain't already got money. So this money I'm putting out, honey, is going to be for the worth of what I'm trying to get out of it. And I don't have time, for, you know, to keep making the same mistakes because, honey, oof, money don't grow on trees. So this is one Miss CEO on. What do you guys think? It's definitely more and longer. This one, I believe, is 25 millimeters. And Queen Flutter is more on the 16 millimeter side. 16 to 18. And these are 25. They're much, much longer. See? But they're so adorable. I love them. Yes. Say boss lady with your suitcase, okay? I'm going to learn how to do these, you know, well, I already know how to somewhat do it. I just don't do it no more because it used to take up so much of my time. But I guess I'll go back to doing it partials. Because all I got to do is just cut these up and make them into partials. For the underneath look, the natural look. So, yeah. And just to show you guys a little bit what I'm talking about, I'm not really too worried about it because I'm not going anywhere. But you see how that little tip is at the end right there? Like stuff like that you could cut off, you know. Because sometimes they make it too long for your lashes. For your eyelids, your lashes. Child. Tongue tied today. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, chill. So yeah, as I was saying, vendor, you know, I get to putting these lashes on. I get silent, child. Technique with your fingers. But yeah, I want to start doing more vending and venturing out more. Also, I want to start going to more networking events just to get my business out there. And of course, stay in touch with you guys, my butterflies. So, okay, look at her. She is, yes, she ready. Okay. Yes, about time for me to take these little dready babies out. And I don't know, I'm gonna do them over. A different color or something. I don't know. Somewhere around there, I don't have any earrings on, but this makeup still floors. And I got another video to do for another pair of lashes, and I'm going to use this makeup. And then for my other two pair of lashes, I'm going to redo my eyeshadow because I want to practice. But it may take me a couple days, okay? So be patient, bear with me. Enjoy these videos. Video 1, this is video 2, and video 3 shall come right after. Yes, but these are the CEOs. Which one do you like so far? Which ones do you like so far? I got glue on my eye. Lid. Okay. Which ones do you like? So, what's some of the things that you guys are struggling with your business and You could probably ask me some questions because I've been doing this for a long time. I do a lot of reading. I do a lot of research. I do a lot of stuff by hand, especially with my business because I want to know my business in and out. So when there is an issue, I don't have to wait for so and so to come fix it. I can do it myself, you know. So I go through the SEO stuff. I don't fully, completely understand it, but I'm not illiterate to it. You know, I know that it's a process. My lips are so dry. I know that it's a process to this, you know, business thing, especially when it comes to the internet, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to email marketing, when it comes to promotions, when it comes to Google search engine, when it comes to Google tags, when it comes to Google business sense. Like, it's a lot of layers. And I'm a reader. I like to learn new stuff. So I don't want to I'm going to have people help me with this, but I don't want to be illiterate to it. I want to know these things. I want to know if my website not working or if it's not accepting cash. How do I go behind the scenes and dibble and dabble to fix it? You know, but at the same time, I'm going to have an engineer as well. So, or a computer specialist. What would that be? Right? Something like that, IT or something. But yeah, I'm going to have all that stuff. I want to have a photographer and a marketer and all that good stuff. Like, it's going to build up to that. But right now, it's just me, and I outsource like my artwork and stuff like that. So, and I'm still learning. So I definitely want to get into networking. You know, so that's for what I want to do for this 2020. So subscribe below, ring that bell, leave your comments below. Any questions, your girl gonna answer. You know, and until next time, be prosperous. Love you, butterflies. Until next time, be prosperous. Love you, butterflies.
It's those C4s, those C4s, those C4s, those C4s. So crazy.